Hi everyone, welcome back to the SCHD channel, as I like to call it, your channel. I'm making this video because the channel has finally reached 100 subscribers. I want to thank every single person that has watched, has stopped by, and subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate. This is, for me, it's a milestone. I never thought that my channel was gonna take off this fast. Well, not fast enough, but you get the point. And I'm just in awe. And I really appreciate every single one of you that has come to the channel and subscribed. From the first comment to the first viewer and to everyone else after that. Thank you so much. This video is for you. Especially thank you to the 100 subs that made this video happen. From the bottom of my heart, I want to keep on growing this channel. Please, if you like what you see, if you like what you watch, if you like my content, please subscribe. If you aren't, comment and like and share, and let's grow this channel together. Again, for the 100 subs, I really appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. And yeah, thank you. It's a short video. I'll see you on the next 100 subs. Thank you so much, and I see you on the next one.